Welcome to Writing Skills for All. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write a short paragraph based on a very interesting question from class 5 English. Today's topic is class 5 English writing, journey from home to school, memory in marble. And today's question is write 5 sentences about your journey from your home to school. You can use the following hints: distance between home and school, modes of traveling, important landmarks, things you see in the course of your journey, the most exciting part of your journey. Dear students, please remember this important point: always follow the hints step by step. This makes your writing clear and well organized. Now, tell me in the comments, how do you go to school every day? I will read your answers. Now, let us look at the model answer. My school my school is about 2 kilometers away from my home. I go to school by bicycle every day. Every day. On my way, I pass a beautiful park, a busy market, and a small temple. I see many people. Vehicles and children. going to school. The most exciting part exciting part of my journey is enjoying the fresh morning air. Morning air. If you want to improve your writing, practice daily and watch more videos on this channel. I hope this helps you understand how to write your own answer easily. Try to write about your own journey using these hints. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Writing Skills for All, for more such lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.